What is a GMO?
General modified ingredient, right?
Do you try to avoid GMOs?
Sometimes. Not a whole lot, but, I try.
What is a GMO?
I don't know. I swear. I was just going along with it. I don't know what GMO is.
What is a GMO?
I don't know. I know it's like some corn bad stuff, right? I know it's bad, but to be completely honest with you, I have no idea.
What is a GMO?
I don't know, so I really don't care. It doesn't affect me. I'm not sick. I'm fine. So.
What is a GMO?
It's a genetically modified organism.
And what's GMO spelled backwards?
OMG. Nice.
GMOs, or genetically modified organisms, is founded upon genetic engineering and its ability to implant a gene from one species into another species. Scientists use what is called artificial selection to create the most optimized organisms. This is where an organism's DNA is combined with another species' DNA experimentally to create new traits. Agriculturally, this is done to enhance a plant's resistance to weather, pesticides, and other environmental stressors. This is also used with livestock to implement the desirable traits of illness resistance and faster maturity. GMOs and genetic engineering techniques have been found to have negative effects on the organisms themselves, surrounding organisms, and organisms that consume the GM products. In response to this, each GMO is put under an evaluation of safety. This evaluation includes toxicity and human health effects, and unforeseen changes in organism metabolism. But the problem with GMOs begins with how these evaluations are being carried out. The FDA never actually tests the products. These evaluations are conducted by a GMO company themselves, and then reported to the FDA. Also, the experiments that are done never last for long periods of time, because the longer the experiment phase, the more money they are losing. So if there are no long-term experiments conducted, then scientists have no idea what the long-term effects are for the consumption of these products. Andrew Kimbrell stated, "The FDA has placed the interests of a handful of biotechnology companies ahead of their responsibility to protect public health. By failing to require adequate testing and labeling of genetically engineered foods, the agency has made consumers unknowing guinea pigs for potentially harmful, unregulated food substances." This is why GMOs must be labeled, so citizens know to stay away from GM products and to search for products that have non-GMO product labels instead. Another reason why we should begin to label GMOs is because 60 other countries already require it. Companies oppose GMO labeling because they state that it would cost money to track down the source of each ingredient, and then in turn create a more expensive product.
America's food manufacturers can't take the time and expense to find out if there's genetically modified ingredients in their food. They don't even know if there's food in their food. I say we get rid of all labels. All food should come in an unmarked box. Like my new line of snack foods, Stephen Colbert's Just Eat It. Every box comes with a complimentary blindfold. You put on the blindfold, open the box, and stick it in your mouth.